Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So, first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon, and you will see the message Do Not Disturb mode on. The icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to the home screen, on the watch face you will also see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, you simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and the icon from the watch face will disappear as well. But you can also make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. Basically, it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically. And to do that, we need to open the settings. So we're gonna press the lower button to open the menu, then scroll through it, find the settings icon, there it is. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it, and here find the option called Preferences. And once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here find the Do Not Disturb, tap on it, and right here, as you can see, we have some settings for our Do Not Disturb mode. The first option is basically button to turn on or off the mode. But we have also this auto enable option, and we can tap on it. And here we have scheduled and manual. If you select manual, the Do Not Disturb mode, the schedule for it won't work. But if you select scheduled, it will enable the schedule, and to edit the schedule, you can tap on this arrow right here. And now we can set the start time, which is basically the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and you can swipe on hours and minutes to set it. Then you have end time. Same with the hours and minutes, and the schedule should be set up. So basically the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. You can also enable the Smart D&D option, and this option basically will try to detect when you go to sleep, and if you fall asleep it will turn on Do Not Disturb mode, and when you wake up it will turn it off. Of course you need to wear your watch during the sleep for it to work. So you even have a description right here if you tap on the question mark icon. Okay, and that's about all, I believe. So we can press the lower button to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.